It's me, Amma Khan. Welcome to Pakistani Diary. Cauliflower, a popular cruciferous vegetable that's versatile, nutritious and flavorful. There are many colors of cauliflower. Cauliflower nutrition. Today I am making aloo gobi gosht recipe. Aloo gobi gosht is a Pakistani food and listed in the Pakistani cuisine. Before start video, kindly subscribe my channel. Meat 1 kilogram. Beef or mutton. Onions and tomatoes. 2 big size. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. Now add some spices. Salt to taste. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. Red chili 2 tablespoons. Now mix well. Add some water. Keep on medium flame. Mostly people in Pakistan eat gobi gosht in winter season. Now cut cauliflower. After 2 hours later, we add warm oil in this stage. On this stage we can add warm oil. Add oil ½ cup. I use mustard oil in every dishes. Mustard oil is very good for health. Yogurt ½ cup. Zira powder, ½ teaspoon. Add aloo gobi. Add water 2 cups. Cover and slow flame. When oil separate, add green chili, coriander leaves. Garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon. Keep on down 5 minutes and dish out.
يا حبيبي يا شافعي يا